Hey everybody, so we're still traveling to Hendry County for the big money race. Big question is it going to rain? Seems like we keep getting rained out here. And the clouds aren't looking promising, but it did say it was going to be cloudy, darn near 100% cloudy. Talking to Butler, and he says at 5 o'clock it jumps up to 70%, but it ain't raining there yet. He says the track is good, it's just the pits aren't good. Like, they can't take no more water, so we shall see. We're about 15 minutes out from the track. We'll get a first-hand look at how everything is, and hopefully we get this show in. It's been a long time coming, so stay tuned and we'll be there in a little bit. Alrighty everybody, we finally made it. Hendry County Speedway. Oh, not too bad looking down here though. Staying on here to show you guys this sign because they are not kidding. And you can tell when you drive down here. There you go. Everybody, we are here, Hendry County Motorsports Park. This is off of turn 2. And that's looking down the backstretch. Let's take a ride around. Like they moved the tires out to get us closer to the wall. That'll be cool. So we might actually be alright. Like setup wise with gear. It's nice when this place can get up next to the wall. There's grandstands. It looks dry, but it's actually pretty tacky and muddy. I got it flying off the four-wheeler. Here we are going into turn 1. She might be a little soupy. We're going to get her done. Anyway, there's a lap around Hendry County. Hey everybody, we just drew a pill out of the Top Gun trailer. And I drew a 28, so I'm probably start me in the middle of the heat race, maybe towards the tail, which will kind of be good because if I can pass anybody, you need them passing points. Because it's a big race and I don't know how many cars will show up. So we need to make that a main. So as many passing points as possible. Stay tuned. Hey everybody. Well, we got a problem. It's doing what we all thought it would do. Are they going to cancel it? We don't know. Hope not, but it's not looking promising. Stay tuned and find out. Alright everybody, it's Sunday morning. We're at my favorite stop, a little mobile station here in Floral City. On my way out to Dad's shop to unload the car. You can see it from behind. I got the trailer hooked. Well, all you can see is tires. But anyway, stay tuned, and we're going to put the car up today. Hey everybody, so we made it to Dad's house, and we're you see the shop there in the background. We're going to unload this and probably pick up the shop a little bit before we put the car in there, because it has been getting nasty. About 3 solid weeks of racing every weekend and kind of got away from us. So we try to keep our shop clean, so I might pick it up a little bit. I don't know if I'll film that yet, but anyway, stay tuned. We're going to finish this up. In her place. Now all we got to do is put that trailer back where she goes and get the tires in here. That won't take too long. Got her own rollers because she's easier to roll. We are going to probably call that the rest of this video. I'm sorry this video wasn't that enticing. I'm going to go ahead and put it out even though no racing was involved, just because I owe it to you guys and all you supporters and all my subscribers. Because of you guys is the reason I can do this, and I appreciate every one of you. Also, real quick, we are going to do something new if it shows up on my phone. I know not every one of you does, so I apologize if you don't get a shout out. And then if I ever get to a point where there's hundreds of thousands of you, I'm going to do my best and, you know, try to get your name out if you help out. But just to show you what I'm talking about, the newest one we've got is actually that guy right there, V-Lock Speed Shop. I met the guy down there at Hendry County and East Bay. He's a pretty cool cat. He runs a open trailer just like I do, and it rained on us, and I helped him out because he's a one-man show like myself most of the time. Got a sweet little rig, I'm not gonna lie, but no, he's pretty cool. So if you get a chance, you ever come to one of our races, go up and say hello to him. He'll talk to you and everything like that. And again, thank you to V-Lock Speed Shop for subscribing. But that's going to be something we're going to be trying to do now. When like I said, when I get in the hundreds of thousands, if that ever happens, God willing. What I might do is if there's a whole bunch of them, I might just pick one randomly and maybe send a shirt to. We are getting shirts. I might actually work on some today, and if we ever get to race, hopefully we can have those available to you. So, but anyway, that's going to be the end of this video. I'm going to put up the trailer and everything like that, and I apologize there's no racing. We're doing what we can, but here in Florida you cannot stop the rain. So anyway, stay tuned. I've got some exciting news real quick, sorry, before we end this video. That blue chassis right there, Dad had it in his mind. He wanted to get this ready for the race at the non-wing race at East Bay. So that's the new news. We'll see if we can get there, and we'll follow along with it and add it to our videos. All right, so that's the end of this video. Again, sorry for rambling on, and we'll get some more videos out this week to show you what we're doing and getting ready. I will come back on and put out a video when I learn the new date for Hendry County. So maybe we'll get a race in there, maybe we won't. The purse has gone big, and it just seems like every time we get rained out, more and more sponsors come on and want to add to the purse. So it only gets more and more expensive. No, I'm not gonna lie, I am kind of tired of driving 4 hours to a race that gets canceled. So there's nothing the track can do. I'm not bashing or anything like that, but it does get old. So hopefully we can get a race in, and I can't wait because I love that track, and my car always does well there. But anyway, stay tuned for more episodes of Underfunded. I'm Hollywood, and we'll see you next time.